Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
तुमकां कशें कळ्ळें की हांगा हे अशें फ्रॉड चल्ला म्हणून?
Actually, पयली आमची केस जाला हिंगा बादेम 18,500 स्क्वेअर मिटर लँड आमच्या नेबराची विन्संट डिसूजा आनी तेचे 18,500 स्क्वेअर मिटर हे लँड ग्रॅबर्स पळय आहाय तांणी आख्खे क्लियर करपाक स्टार्ट केल्लें तेन्ना आमकां तेणी कळीत केलें जे आपणाची प्रॉपर्टी कोण येवन बोलतोच मनीस येवन क्लियर करता म्हण आनी ताका स्टॉप केलें जाल्यार ताका थ्रेटन करता म्हण. सो ते हेजेर मागीर तेणें आपणाचें फॉर्म 114 काडलेलें तेन्ना ऑनलायन ताका कळलें तें फॉर्म 114 कोण ब्रांका रॉड्रिक्स आनी रॉयसन रॉड्रिक्स म्हणटा ताच्या नांवान गेला म्हण ट्रान्सफर जाला म्हण.
Put our family members who were not even born in 1951, they showed that they had sold the property in 1951.
To that family.
To that family, to Antonia Francisca.
Your ancestors sold that property
Yes,
to that family.
even before they were born.
Property is in my mother-in-law's name, Maria Anton Coutinho. Actually, she died in 1995 and the sale deed was made in 1996. That means she got up from a grave and she signed the sale deed. It's completely fraud. And besides, that plot, is a huge plot divided into two parts. One part belongs to us, the left side, right side belongs to some Carvalho. They made it as a huge plot. My mother as a man, my mother-in-law as a man, and the lady from the next plot as a woman. And they got two women married, and then they sold the plot.
We objected for that mutation on the 29th of March, since when we came to know about it. And subsequently, a couple of days later, we also noticed that on the 30th of March, there was already a sale deed done to a third party. So what they had done is, they had done the mutation, they had taken the property on their name, not officially because their names were not there on the form 114, because we had laid an objection. But the sale deed at the side was already going on, which was finalized, and 30th of March, they had the sale deed registered.
How much land they were grabbed in your village at least?
This was about 90 to 95,000.
Almost 1 lakh square.
Yes, almost 1 lakh square meter.
And the actual owner don't know about this. They never sold this property to anyone.
No.
The government has to declare all those fake deeds null and void. SIT may give its findings if they are fake or genuine or whatever. Okay, they've come to the conclusion it is fake. Even the archives is giving letters saying they're fake. But the government has to officially notify all those deeds to be fake. Because as soon as the government does that, all these transactions, forward transactions that have been done, including sale deeds, whatever, all that is going to collapse. That is the first demand. Okay. Ongoing, as that is going on, all the mutations that have been fraudulently done, all the mutations which have been done on basis of fraud documents have to be reverted immediately. That is something very, very important that needs to be done, because there are a lot of elderly people running from pillar to post, hitting a brick wall on all the bureaucratic obstructions that come. They have to get immediate relief. So the government has to kind of pass some rule or order or notification, whatever, reverting all of them immediately to avoid a multiplicity of proceedings.
Even हांवें पयलें चर्चीन आपल्या प्रॉपर्टीचे बोर्ड मारला. चर्चीचो प्रॉपर्टी ट्राय केली कोणी ग्रॅब करपाची?
Yes. The church property, in fact, now we are trying to find out who has done it. There is one person who has actually done the conversion of the entire land, church land.
Church land also.
Yes, that is about 31,000 square meter. आमचे church land आचे हा ते बादेम चर्चीचे. But then we found online that there is somebody who has put for conversion. And we don't have any tenants in the church property, neither Bonkas, but still somebody, Hindu, has put a case for conversion of the entire property.
आम्ही आशिल्ले आज बाद्या आणि बाद्या ज्या गांवान सुमार 1 लाख स्क्वेअर मिटर प्रॉपर्टी विकली. ॲक्च्युली जे ओनर को ओनर तांचे भुरगीं तेंच्यांनी केन्ना ती प्रॉपर्टी विकूंकूय ना. तेंच्यांनी केन्ना एप्लिकेशनूय करूंक ना प्रॉपर्टी विकपा खातीर. पूण कोणें तरी भलत्यानूच मनशान प्रॉपर्टी विकली. लोकांक जेन्ना कळ्ळें की अशें जे प्रॉपर्टी विकला म्हणून तेन्ना SIT फॉर्म जाली आनी सद्याक SIT सद्या इन्वेस्टिगेशन करता. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.